This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to blow center fresh gum. Chew one piece until it is soft and pliable, then flatten it into a thin pad and press your tongue to create a tight seal. Push a small, steady stream of air to start a tiny pocket, then expand slowly while keeping cheeks relaxed. If it pops, breathe calmly, reflatten the gum, and try again with controlled breaths. Begin by centering the flattened gum pad on your tongue and forming a complete seal with your lips. Push a gentle, consistent breath to create a small bubble pocket, not a sudden blast, so the gum stretches evenly. Use relaxed cheeks and short, measured breaths to grow the bubble gradually and avoid thin spots. Practice 2 or 3 times per attempt and adjust breath strength based on how the gum responds. If you are enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like the video to support the channel. It really helps. Quick recommendation. The Simple Path to Wealth is a smart, friendly book that can shift your money mindset and free up mental space for fun skills like bubble blowing. I find its clear advice oddly motivating when practicing small habits. Check the description for the link and deals, and now let's get back to the video. If bubbles repeatedly pop, check gum softness and chew longer until it feels warm and stretchable. Focus on even pressure and avoid big bursts, because a slow, steady expansion prevents thin spots. Use your tongue to smooth edges and reinforce weak areas, and stop inflating once the bubble looks strained or translucent. With calm practice and small adjustments to breathe and gum position, your success rate will improve noticeably.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.